The cave that spoke. A jackal lived in a cave deep in the forest. Every morning he would go out looking for food and would return in the evening. One day, an old lion hid in the cave. He thought, "Some animal lives here and is sure to return. I will eat him up." In the evening, when the jackal returned, he saw large footprints entering the cave but not leaving it. He was alarmed. After thinking for a while, he shouted, "Dear cave, why are you quiet today?" The lion thought, "Ah, this cave talks, but it's quiet today because of my presence." The jackal shouted, "If you don't welcome me like every day, I will go away forever." Fearing that he might lose his meal, the lion rolled back in greeting. The clever jackal confirmed the presence of the lion hiding in the cave. He ran away as fast as he could. The turtle who loved to talk. Two swans and a talkative turtle lived in a lake. They were close friends. In the summer, when the lake began to dry up, the swans decided to move to another lake. But the turtle could not fly, so he asked the swans to find a strong wooden stick. He said, "You hold the stick in your beaks and I will hang on to the stick with my mouth. This way, all of us can move to the new lake." The swans said, "You are talkative. What if you open your mouth?" The turtle promised to keep quiet. Next morning, they began their journey. The turtle was amazed at the sights from above. When they flew over the lake, the turtle said, "Wow, look!" realizing too late that he should have kept quiet. Thankfully, he fell into the lake and his life was saved, but he had learned his lesson. The mouse who roared. Once a sage lived in a dense forest. He had divine powers by praying to God for many years. One day, a mouse was wandering in the forest for food when he was attacked by a fox. The mouse ran to the sage to save his life, and the fox followed him. The sage transformed the mouse into a tiger. The fox sprinted away. On being transformed into a tiger, the mouse would scare and kill other animals unnecessarily. But one thought always bothered him. What if the sage turns him back into a mouse? He decided to kill the sage. He went to the sage who was meditating. But before the tiger could pounce upon the sage, he turned the tiger back into a mouse. He said, "I saved your life. Instead of showing gratitude, you wanted to kill me." The mouse realized his folly and repented his action. The donkey and the jackal. Once upon a time, A washerman had a donkey. He would make him carry loads of clothes, but never gave him enough food. At night, the donkey would roam around, eating whatever he could find. One night, the donkey met a jackal who took him to a field of watermelons. The donkey was happy to have a wholesome meal. After eating their fill, both friends tiptoed out of the field before the guard woke up. This happened every night. Soon the donkey became healthy. One night, after having a meal, the donkey told the jackal, "Shall I sing a song for you?" The jackal replied, "Not here. The guard will wake up." But the donkey started braying loudly. The jackal ran away. The guard woke up and bit the donkey black and blue. The donkey cried in pain and thought, "I wish I had listened to my dear friend's advice."
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.